What's good, Mozillas? I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to reset your TPMS sensors using the ECUTek app with the Bluetooth module, a laptop, and a special device called the Maxi TPMS sensor pad. Please bear in mind that I currently have wheels with no TPMSs on, and the ones with them are off of the vehicle, but I am going to demonstrate to you how to do it, and if you follow these procedures it should work. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is purchase the Altel Maxi TPMS pad, and using your laptop you're going to want to follow the instructions on their website to download the application. Then you're going to run it. Alright, so now inside the vehicle you're going to either start it or leave it on the on position. If you leave it on the on position, make sure to have the lights off, AC off. You're gonna go into the ECUTek app, enter your vehicle, and then enter the TPMS registration. Now you're gonna hit start, and now it's telling you to reset the tool on the front left wheel. So now what you wanna do is hit test on the app here, on the Altel app, and then you're gonna place the pad on the sensor. So right now just registered the front. Now we're gonna front left. So now we're gonna move over to the passenger side. Gonna hit test again. Now it's telling us to go to the right rear. Now again, my wheels are off of the vehicle, so I'm not sure how it's gonna work now, but you're gonna get the gist of what I'm doing and it should work for you. So now I'm gonna hit test once again. Now it wants me to do the rear left. I was always trying to figure out how to reset the sensors using the ECUTek app, and it always required an external device. And I decided to go ahead and purchase this one, and it worked flawlessly. So if you follow the procedures that I just did with this device specifically, you should be able to reset your TPMS sensors without having to take a trip to a tire shop or the dealership. I hope this video was informative, and if it was, make sure to always make that like button turn blue. And if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing for more content like this. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace, Zillas.